Paper Makubeki.
Rosel. Tete.
Oy, saan na? Si Sir Dede. In, pila ka words?
One word.
Ay, masinapanon. Labi na sa iyang mga staff. Generous.
Cheerful.
Impressive. D for data.
Mentor.
Philosophical. Spontaneous.
Wise.
Bright.
Very influential.
Straightforward. Vibrant. Speaks wisdom.
Inspiring.
Straightforward. Versatile.
Masikaso.
Father-like.
He's a humble genius.
Portrait.
Insulter, enlightener.
Wise.
Asiya Highway 26. Buti pasabot ka. Dapat kining atong banana chips sa prosperidad makaadto na good news dito sa laing nasod.
Describe blessing in one word.
Ma'am Press. P for prangka. Pero guwapa.
Cheerful. Beautiful.
Striking.
Candid.
It's lovely!
Brave. Courageous.
Guardian.
Frank.
Inline.
Don't judge the book by its cover.
Fashionista.
Ma'am Priscilline is commander.
Intimidating.
Unpretentious.
Expressive. Is powerful.
Galaw-gaw but with voice.
Prayerful.
Siyempre guwapa. Inside and out. Cherry is fearless.
Organized.
Sweet, ball, optimistic. C for kalma.
My materna.
Kalma, katao. Cool-headed.
Courageous.
Queen.
Superwoman. Impressive. He's dedicated.
Courageous.
Kill.
Calm.
Needs calmness.
Graceful.
Full of knowledge.
He's dedicated.
Sige, describe ng Presi in one word.
Ma'am Prissy is a hitters. Ma'am Cherry is the likers. Pididoy is the opposite of all. Happy retirement!
We asked people on the famous lines of Mom Press.
Ma'am Press.
Ang mga pobre, nahutangan na po kung sweldo na ba?
Famous line of Mom Cherry.
Yachts!
Ali Yachts, mag-audit ta sa ila yachts.
Famous life of Sir Dudoy.
Pat, ali ragid pat. Kanay ba si JB yung pat? Dapat. Murag buang.
Happy retirement!
Happy retirement!
Happy retirement!
Happy retirement! Happy retirement! Happy retirement, Sir Dudoy, Ma'am Press, and Ma'am Cherry. God bless you.
Happy retirement!
Happy retirement!
Enjoy your retirement and God bless sa inyo atulo.
Happy retirement!
Happy retirement sa all.
Happy retirement.
Happy retirement!
Happy retirement to the three of you. Good luck. Happy retirement!
Happy retirement.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Pressy, Ma'am Cherry, and Sir Dudoy.